Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Thank you for staying with us. Raw or roasted? That is the question. You might think that a raw, natural product is the only way to go for our health. Raw sunflower and pumpkin seeds actually contain more nutrients, especially valuable plant fats, which oxidize when exposed to heat. But roasted seeds have a richer, more pronounced flavor. They oxidize more slowly in the air, keep longer, and are also easier to digest. Doctors and nutritionists recommend combining the health benefits of raw seeds with the taste of roasted ones. Even better than pan roasting is gently drying them in the oven at low temperatures, just enough to remove excess moisture. That way they'll retain all their goodness, gain flavor and crunch, and keep significantly longer. Ground seeds are better absorbed by the body, but unfortunately they don't store well in open air, as the fats they contain oxidize quickly. At the same time, for children and the elderly, it's best to offer seeds in ground form as a nutritious vitamin supplement. Just grind as much as you need right now and don't store them that way. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay with us. Subscribe to our channel.